Sushi is made from Japan. Today we're making veggie sushi. If you want to cook with me, go get your stuff and remember to wash your hands. If you're using anything hot or sharp, go get an adult. They like to feel important. First, I'm going to show you how to make the rice. And you're going to do 3 scoops of rice. And fill it to the top. Sushi rice or short brown rice? You rinse it, and then if you're doing brown rice, you fill it up to, well, you just fill it up to the 3rd line on whatever rice you're making. The rice is cooked and washed. Now, I am going to add some rice vinegar. Then I'm just gonna do like a little bit, and you don't want to lean it way down and do 2 swirls, or else it will do the whole bottle. And then you're gonna kind of slice it and chop it. And then you're gonna stir it. Okay. And I'm then taking my plate and my peeler, and then if you don't know how to peel, you just start from the top, and then you just leave it on there and go to the bottom. And if the bottom's not that peeled, you can peel it. Okay, now I'm going to dump this into the trash. And then I'm going to take the carrot and I'm going to peel the carrot. Now I'm going to shred the carrot so there's no peel on the carrot. Okay, now I'm going to throw that in the trash. And then I'm just going to chop off the end of the carrot. Trash. Okay. Now I'm going to shred them. I'm going to shred the vegetables onto the plate. So I can stick the shredded vegetables into the seed. Then you get your trophy at you, and Daddy's winning. Then I'm going to scooch this to the side. The carrot. I'm going to chop off the ends of the cucumber. Throw it in the trash. Then I'm going to shred the cucumber. The cucumber is a little bit easier, but when you have to hold that big long thing, square of it, it's kind of boring. So I'm just gonna chop it in half and then do half and half. So it's easier. if there's too little pieces, just put them in and don't care about them being too little. And don't care about them being too big because it's okay. And if it's too skinny, just chop it up. Okay. Now, with this big thing, wipe my hands. Then I'm going to take the sushi, and then I'll take the cutting board, this big giant cutting board that I have here, and then I take one of the pieces, like that. So we're gonna take a big handful of rice, maybe 2 small handfuls. Then we're just gonna scoot them out a little, the rice out a little bit. I think so. A little bit is over here on every corner. Then I'm gonna take the top, I'm chopping it with a knife, and I'm gonna kind of spread it. So I'm gonna top, down, spread. Top, down, spread. Then you can squish it. But if yours gets too sticky, just wash the wooden spoon with water, and then it will help it really stay. And I'm going to smash it all down so it's all has its own spot. Then I'm going to take some of the shredded carrots, and I'm just going to put them an inch before the start of the seaweed. And then grab some cucumbers and put it on top of the carrots, and then I'm going to do it again. A layer. I'm doing a layer. There. Okay. Then you're gonna take the bottom like that, and then you're gonna roll it over, and then at the very bottom you're gonna squish it down, so it pinch it down, and then you're gonna roll it again and pinch it down, roll it, pinch it until you get to the end. Once you get to the end, flip it over, and then roll it again, like that. Then you take your knife, and then you take your knife and you cut it. This one's kind of a little bit weird, but it's good. About a Grown Up. I'm Cora and I can teach you.